A lot of you have been hearing about Tapswap, but you don't know what Tapswap is all about. In this video, I'm going to enlighten you on what Tapswap is all about and how you can go ahead and leverage Tapswap. I'm also going to share my phone screen right here on Telegram, which is going to be somewhere around in this video, so you can actually see what I'm actually doing. Tapswap is a fast growing project right now, and a lot of people are actually taking part in this project after what happened to Coin. Now, most of the videos online are not telling you what you need to know. For example, Tapswap was built on the Solana blockchain. In order for you to mine the Tapswap coin, you need to engage on the Tapswap Telegram bot. Well, how does it work? Basically, it's a tap to earn. Users mine coin by actually tapping on their screen. The Tap coin is a native token of the Tapswap ecosystem, and it has a maximum quantity of 1 billion tokens. According to Coinbase and few other exchange, you might actually get it for $1 and above. Now, I'm actually on my phone, and as you can see, the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and click the referral link in my description below, which is going to take you to the Tapswap itself. There are actually two booths for Tapswap. We have the Tapswap that has the verified icon, and we also have a Tapswap that has a different name that comes with Tapswap Mirror Booth. So you need to make use of the one that has the Tapswap Mirror Booth, which is my referral link in the description below. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on start, and after start you want to click on this start now you are seeing right here. It's going to show you this Tapswap. Currently you can see how many coins I have on my account. I have about 234,000 coins, and if you want to mine this coin, all you just have to do is to tap on your screen. So basically, as you can see, I'm just tapping and I'm getting the coin, which is I'm getting those coins. I'm getting more energy to mine this coin. So let me just tap this so I can get few coins. I'm tapping with multiple fingers basically, so you can tap with multiple fingers. You can see right here I'm tapping with multiple fingers, and if you come to this task, you notice you can actually complete some tasks like join or follow them on social media, and you're going to get 200,000 coins, which I've done. That's why I have about 235,000 coins. And you can also complete this Solana wallet tax by installing a Solana wallet. A Solana based wallet is Phantom. You can go ahead and search Phantom on your Play Store or your iPhone. If you're actually using an iPhone, then you're gonna see Phantom. Install Phantom is a wallet, is a Solana wallet based. So after that, you come to the boost section. You notice that you have tapping grooves, you have full tank. Try and complete all those daily boosters every single day. Then if you look at these boosters, always make sure you upgrade these boosters: the multi-tap, the energy limit, the recharging speed, and the tap boost. Now, the energy limit, by default you have those 500, but if you upgrade, or if you click on this energy limit, you see I can get, if I click on get it, it's going to remove some of my coins, and you'll notice I have more coin. Formerly I have 3,500, now I have 4,000. So I can click on this and I'll get more coins. There are ways you can actually mine this coin by using a certain app called GC Auto Clicker. You can go ahead and download it on your. So how to go ahead and set up this app is very easy. I'll minimize this and come to GC Auto Clicker. I have GC Auto Clicker right here. You can see this is the app right here. You just click on it. I don't need to update. Then I'll click on new config, then click on multiple points tap, then click on start, and it's going to show you that particular one tap. Then you can add multiple ones. You can add multiple ones, just add multiple ones. Then click on play. It's just going to keep on tapping your screen automatically without you doing any single thing. But I already have my config, so I'll just go ahead and close this and open my config. I've already configured, I've saved the configuration that I want. So you can see I have multiple tabs on my screen. I'll just close this, then I can keep on doing this, and it keeps mining automatically for me. So I can do this, I cannot drop my phone somewhere and it's just going to keep mining. It's just going to keep tapping on the screen for me, and that's it. It's really amazing, and I think it's going to help you real quick if you want to mine more of this coin. So if you actually enjoyed the video, kindly follow and also don't forget to like. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.